the sky, new star is on his way. Seen every place in outer space, he's here to save the day. Asteroid surfs on the Milky Way, watch him shoot across the sky. Obsessed with space and science, ask a question, he'll tell you why. Star, the power of friendship, you're gonna go far. New star, flying through space with your PJ friends. New star, your bravery and wit are an inspiration. New star, Newton star. Sailing through the cosmos, true, with star shields on his heads. He's shy but brave when it counts most. Star power at his command. Just believe like Newton, you can do.
Alright guys, let's do this. Tonight we're gonna draw a TV exclusive Bakugan called Goblin Ball. Goblin Ball only got one debut on Bakugan New Vestroya, nowhere else. I rarely had time to draw this Bakugan because, well, I forgot that this Bakugan was even part of the Bakugan universe. Yeah, I kind of forgot this guy even existed. But just to make sure I don't leave it out, what better way than to draw it here?
Every place in outer space, he's here to save the day. Asteroid surfs on the Milky Way, watch him shoot across the sky. Obsessed with space and science, ask a question, he'll tell you why. Star, the power of friendship, you're gonna go far. New star, flying through space with your PJ friends. New star, your bravery and wit are an inspiration. New star, Newton star. Sailing through the cosmos, true, with star shields on his heads. He's shy but brave when it counts most. Star power at his command. Just believe like Newton, you can do most anything. New star, the power of friendship, you're gonna go far. New star, flying through space with your PJ friends.
Here's the arm for this guy. Now we draw this mark here. And there. One last thing to draw, and that's his second hand.
To the sky, new star is on his way. Seen every place in outer space, he's here to save the day. Asteroid surfs on the Milky Way, watch him shoot across the sky. Obsessed with space and science, ask a question, he'll tell you why. New star, the power of friendship, you're gonna go far. New star, flying through space with your PJ friends. New star, your bravery and wit are an inspiration.
And finished. There he is. That's how you draw a Goblin Ball. One of the latest Pokemon that I've drawn up. I dedicate this to all the TV exclusive Bakugan that haven't gotten the chance to be on shelves. Don't worry guys, I'll draw more like this soon. That's all for now guys. Stegosaurus, see you later.